How to search YouTube Shorts by hashtags. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser, then go to the website youtube.com. In the search bar, you can directly type in the hashtag. For example, just to show you guys, I'm gonna type in hashtag funny shorts. Now search for it and you will see different things in the search result. At the very top, you will see the hashtag. As you can see, there are 25 million videos with this hashtag. Now you can see all the videos that are related to that hashtag. Let me show you by searching for another one. For example, I'm gonna search for hashtag AI videos. After you type that in, click on enter to search for it. On the result page at the very top, click on the hashtag. Now there is 2.4 million videos and there are over 500,000 channels that are posting videos with this hashtag. If you just want to watch shorts, then click on shorts. Now you can scroll down and watch the videos under this hashtag. So this is how you can search YouTube Shorts with hashtags. That's all for today. Thank you.